Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete apps on Mac. In addition, we'll tag Mac products within the video and include affiliate links to fantastic Mac products in the description below. First, from the taskbar, click on Finder. On the pop-up window, you will see an option for Applications. Click on Applications. Now, you will see all the applications installed on your computer. To proceed, click on the application you wish to delete, hold it and drag directly to the trash bin located on the taskbar. In this example, I'm going to delete the Google Chrome application. Then you can just repeat the process for the other applications you would like to delete. That's how you delete apps on Mac. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.